Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price right now, as we couldn't have had a better start to the week with the S&P 500 slightly dipping down and then recovering to close the day. Elon Musk announcing that he's purchasing Twitter. Bitcoin did very well. Matter of fact, we were able to not only hold above 38,000, but now we are back above 40,000 US dollars with a bullish daily candle to close. Our next target at this point is 41,950, and I do expect us to come and test this as a resistance once again. If we can get above 42,000, hold it as support, we will start addressing upside targets. But this is certainly the early signs of a rescue operations, a higher low that has potentially formed, avoiding a potential capitulation. Check this out, snipers. In the 6 months leading up to the last two major bear market capitulation events, we saw large amounts of Bitcoin moving to exchanges. In the last 6 months, we have not seen that. We've seen the exact opposite. Large amounts of Bitcoin being taken off exchanges. And so more confidently than ever, I will say that a capitulation scenario is most likely not in the immediate short term. And what that means, snipers, is that this 600-day moving average, right around 40,000 that we're currently sitting at, is potentially the bottom before Bitcoin resumes its trend back to new all-time highs. Because in the past, the 600-day moving average has been a very strong floor for Bitcoin. Now we're back above it with a bullish continuation candle. As long as at this point we stay above the 600-day moving average, right around 40,000, things are looking good. I do not expect a capitulation. We just need to break 42,000 to start seeing momentum. And so we'll continue to monitor the price. But just remember, snipers, the range that we're in, 42,000 resistance, 38,000 support, it doesn't look like there's a reason for Bitcoin to come back down to test 38,000 in the immediate short term. And then I will say this, when it comes to the revolving parts, the DXY, every time over the last 8 years that we have reached this white box that I have on our chart, it has been a bottom for Bitcoin and the start to a bull market in the cryptocurrency market. Well, guess what? We are approaching this box. Let's see what happens. Now, we do know that the Euro to USD pairing is giving us a slight indication that we may see abnormal strength at the DXY with the Euro to USD pairing breaking major support. That's totally fine. I don't think there's a reason to really worry just yet because the DXY has yet to even reach that resistance. And so a lot of puzzle pieces starting to come together. We'll continue to monitor the S&P 500. So far, as long as we do not break these recent lows here, things are looking fine for the S&P 500 to also form a higher low. So very nice to start off the week like this. It was a little bit terrifying to close the week last week with that extremely bearish candle, but now we're starting to see things come back to the favor of the bulls. I told you guys, all it would take was one green day in the equity markets for Bitcoin to recover back above that extremely important support. And now we can inch our way towards seeing new all-time highs. As long as we can break 42,000, we'll start addressing upside target, snipers. That's your update for today. Thank you all for tuning into the channel. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you all next time, snipers.